Hello, and I'm going to be doing a review on Supbot, a really good mobile iPhone Supreme bot. So, uh, pretty much that's like the instruction guide in the middle, and I'm doing a review and tutorial on Supbot. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your profiles and create a profile there, put all your information in, then you have your profiles, and you go select item. You can choose an item. First video, I'm going to do the headband, even though it's week past frame drop, it's gone. Select your size and color, and you have selected items there. And then you pretty much start the bot a minute to 2 minutes before the drop. And you have it running, and it'll say something like, you have your bot ready, like, go ahead and catch wins, or something like that. So, it's pretty easy to set up. So, there's the instructions in the middle. If you do decide to buy the bot, it's very good for an iPhone bot. It actually competes really well with the good mobile other bots like Eve and Fastly and all those online bots. But for $20, definitely a must-buy. So here are the settings, and I have next mobile size, full color. I would suggest having that on. You also want to sign into Google. The capture bait bypass, I don't know too much about that. Yeah, so have those on, and then the restock monitor, I should have selected, because you have all on, you get a lot of stuff. I don't know what cart confirm is actually, but if you had all on, you'll get a bunch of random stuff, and your phone will blow up of stuff you don't really want, but unless you do want it. So like your selected items here will restock when it's available. So restock monitor all on. See, like when you have that on, you'll get items like this restocking like 5 times a day, and it gets really annoying. I suggest just having selected on. So here are the settings. Test mode, I'm not entirely sure what that is. And now to the delays. This is very important when it comes to the bot. I suggest 3 to 3.5. That's what they suggest also. Anywhere under will probably get you card declined and stuff. My friend was using this for the Jordan 14 drop, I believe. And where am I on? Jordan 14 drop for Supreme, and he had this delays of like 2 seconds, something like that, and he just kept getting card declined. He had to go manual, but this bot absolutely destroyed. It checked out instantly fast, and it does everything for you. You don't need to have your phone there or anything. You don't need to touch your phone. All you just have to let it go. But my bot, it doesn't really work on my phone because I'm an iPhone 6, and when it refreshes like that, it won't refresh in time when the bot starts going. But for an iPhone 10 or something like that, or the newer phones, it will work well. Worked well on my friend's phone. But yeah, this is a really good bot, and I really like the restock monitor part of it. I actually, for the Jeep Halter BOGO, I actually would have got one, but my dad's credit card was hooked to the billing or something like that. I was trying to use my dad's phone and then my phone, so I had like my credit card, my dad's credit card. But yeah, that's pretty much the review and tutorial. I suggest you guys go check it out and like, subscribe, and thank you.